I'm a huge lover of all things Apple, and I will be the first to admit that I am indeed an Apple fanboy. I'm actually just realizing now that this is my first unboxing of an Android device on the channel. It's pretty crazy. The S22 comes in this black box, which is a very minimal design. It has an S on the front and that's pretty much it. The S22 looks pretty sleek and has a 3-camera bump design, and it also has a 2-tone look, and in general, I'm actually just really loving the design. Let's quickly look at what else is inside the box. You get a USB-C to USB-C cable, and of course the warranty information in this little package thingy. You also get a SIM card ejector tool, and that's pretty much it for what's in the box. And full disclosure, I actually did not fully leave. I'm still keeping my 13 mini. It's still gonna be a big thing on the channel. I genuinely love that phone, but I am branching out a bit, and let's talk about why. So reason number one for why I decided to buy the Samsung Galaxy S22 and leave Apple temporarily is because I genuinely like Android. Now, I feel like a lot of people don't know this, but you can actually like iPhone and iOS and Android at the same time. I generally like the customization that you're gonna get when you buy an Android phone. I love a lot about it. I like that Samsung's OS has been drastically scaled down and seems less cartoony as it did in the past. And I like that Android OS offers a few cool things that iOS does not. It's been about 4 years since an Android phone was my main device, so I figured I'd get a good update on what's been going on with Android by buying a phone in 2022. Speaking of 2022, the S22 is such a beast of a phone, and as MKBHD himself describes it, it's the iPhone of Androids, and I'm gonna go figure that out for myself, but I'm gonna take his word for it 100%. It has some pretty solid specs that have piqued my interest. It has an AMOLED 120Hz display with HDR10 plus 1300 nits peak brightness on that beautiful display, and it has an 87% screen to body ratio, meaning less lip and chin, and it has an always on display. So far in my very limited use, the display looks really good, and I'm excited to watch a lot more content on this device. On the camera side, it has a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel f1.8 wide angle, a 10 megapixel telephoto, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. And at the front, you have a 10 megapixel wide camera for them selfies. For power, it has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which from reviews I saw so far is plenty capable and can handle all the tasks thrown at it. If any of what I said means absolutely nothing for you, just know that this phone is going to be plenty powerful, and I'm not really worried about switching from the A15 chip, which I feel like is probably the most powerful chip in a phone, towards a Snapdragon on the S22. Also, I am a huge fan of this design, but side note, they said this was green. I think they're lying. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Is this green to you? Because I feel like Apple nailed the green and Samsung is just like, this is kind of blue, bro. It's kind of blue. As I mentioned, I'm not going to ditch the iPhone. To be honest, I'm gonna miss native FaceTime. I'm gonna miss iMessage. I'm gonna miss the integration that iOS has with like my iPad or my MacBook back there. Generally speaking, I am inclined to keep the iPhone 13 mini around, but at the same time, I am excited to also, on the side, try out this Samsung device that I got. Now I'm going on a little business vacation in like the next week. So I'm gonna be bringing either the iPhone 13 mini or the Samsung Galaxy S22. Let me know down below which phone I should bring for my trip, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of content surrounding whatever phone I bring. Also, let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.